How to fix missing GIF icon in Samsung keyboard. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Next, we need to bring up the keyboard. So here I will open up my text messages and bring up the keyboard. After that, tap on your sticker icon on Samsung keyboard. And here, if you find that GIF icon is missing, swipe across and try to find it. If you still can't find it, tap on this settings icon right here. So tap on this settings icon and then go down and make sure this is turned on. Now you can see if it is turned off, it will not be available in the toolbar. So you want to go in here and turn it on, and then on this stickers toolbar, it will become available for you to use. Okay, so that is one thing. The other thing that you need to check is make sure your phone is connected to the internet. If your phone is not connected to internet, it will not be able to search for images. So therefore, you will not be able to use GIF if your phone is not connected online. Also, you want to make sure GIF is turned on your Samsung keyboard. So we go into General Management, then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then tap on Select third-party content to use, and ensure you turn on GIF and tenure. If that is turned off, then you will not be able to use GIF. In here, you need to tap on the Continue button to turn it on. Now another thing that you can do is make sure you set Samsung keyboard as the default. So we go into Settings, then tap on General Management, then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and in here you want to go down and choose Keyboard List and Default. So we go down here, so we look for Samsung Keyboard List and Default. So let me try to find it. Keyboard and Default Keyboard. Here, make sure you select Samsung Keyboard, because I only have Samsung Keyboard, so that is the only option. But if you install Google Keyboard or other keyboard, then make sure Samsung Keyboard is selected. Now, if it still doesn't work, you may want to clear the keyboard cache. So we can do that by going back to My Settings. So in Settings here, we scroll down and tap on Apps. Then we go to Samsung Keyboard. So Samsung Keyboard in here. So scroll down and tap on Samsung Keyboard, and make sure you go into Storage and Clear Cache and Clear Data. Okay, so give that a try and see how you go. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.